Shopping. This is Bhavanya here. Exercise 1.1 7th sum. If A is equals to matrix 3 2 7 5 and B is equals to matrix minus 1 minus 3 5 and 2, verify that AB the whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse.
Solution. In the question we are given a matrix and B matrix. We have to verify that AB the whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. First we are taking left hand side. LHS is AB the whole inverse. First we are finding AB. A into B is, we are multiplying both the matrix. By multiplying we get a matrix like this, and we have to find AB the whole inverse. AB the whole inverse is equals to 1 by modulus AB into adjoint AB is the formula. First we are going to find modulus AB and next adjoint AB. Modulus AB is equals to the matrix, but it is written inside the determinant. The matrix of AB, but it is written inside the modulus. 7 into minus 11 is minus 77, minus 5 into 18 is minus 90. That minus and minus will become plus 90. So if we solve this, we'll get 13. Next, adjoint AB is equals to, we have to interchange the diagonal. 7 in the place of minus 11, 11 in the place of 7, and here we have to change the sign. 7 will write here and minus 11 is here, minus 5 will become 5 and 18 will become minus 18. This is the value of adjoint AB. Now we have to substitute in this formula. By substituting we get a equation. This is equation 1. Next we are taking RHS. RHS is B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is equals to 1 by modulus B into adjoint B, and A inverse is equals to 1 by modulus A into adjoint A. Now to find this we are taking B matrix and A matrix. Now B inverse is equals to modulus B is, we are multiplying, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and minus 3 into 3 is minus 15, and minus will become plus 15. And adjoint B is, we have to interchange the diagonal values, and here we have to change the sign. Minus 1 in the place of 2, 2 in the place of minus 1, and minus 3 will become 3 and minus 5 will become minus 5. And here also A inverse is equals to 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 into 7 is minus 14, and adjoint A is, we have to interchange the diagonal. 3 in the place of 5, 5 in the place of 3, and here we have to change the sign. 2 minus 2 and 7 will become minus 7. Now B inverse is equals to minus 2 plus 15 is 13 and the same matrix, and A inverse is equals to 15 minus 14 is 1 and same matrix. We are simplifying. B inverse into A inverse is equals to 1 by 13 into 1 by 1 is 1 by 13, and both the matrix has to be multiplied. While multiplying we get a matrix like this. We are taking this as second equation. Now the first equation and the second equation are equal automatically. LHS is equals to RHS, hence AB the whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse, hence proved.
Like, share and comment. Subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.